Dear students, today we will learn about the compounds, that is the aniline, and that compound has the characteristic properties, that is it is a monocyclic one, then it is having the conjugated, and it is carbocyclic compounds. Okay, it is a hydrocarbon compounds. Okay, these are the characteristics is associated with our aniline compound. Generally, aniline compound is shown by the formula, that is CnHn when N is odd, or CnHn plus 1 when N is when N is odd, and for this N is the even. Like that, by using that formula we can predict the compound of the aniline. Now we have seen that it should require it is monocyclic one, it is conjugated one, and these compounds are the hydrocarbon compounds. And the ring size of compound is shown in bracket. If suppose we have two examples, that is benzene is also a aniline compounds. Normally more than 7 we will discuss as a aniline, but this compound is also came under the aniline. And second example, we have cyclooctatetraene compound. Okay, both when you see the both compounds, in first you have benzene 6 carbon is there, in cyclooctatetraene compounds 8 carbon is there. Okay, that benzene is represented as your 6 aniline, and cyclooctatetraene compound is represented as 8 aniline compounds. Okay, normally the number of carbons you have to write in brackets and aniline. Okay, 6 aniline, 8 aniline. Okay, you the size of the ring you have to show in bracket. Also, you can show the compound generally is like that, CH2 double bond CH2, and is En times. Okay, not CH2, CH double bond CH, En times you represent your compound like that, or CH double bond CH you represent. Okay, like that you can represent your compound. So this is the general basic information about the aniline compounds. Monocyclic, conjugated one. Conjugated means in this compound you show the alternate double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond. Okay, this is fully conjugated system. Fully conjugated system means total system having the alternate double bond throughout ring, not missing any carbon. Okay, if suppose like that condition is there. Okay, if suppose like that condition is there is missing one alternate double bond is there, or both bond is the single. Therefore, such situation is not considered in this compound. Alternate and fully conjugation is there. Okay, alternate double bond and single bond. Observe in aniline, monocyclic conjugated, and its hydrocarbon compounds. Now, let us see some examples from aniline compounds. We will see the examples from 8 aniline to the 16 aniline or 18 aniline, and these compounds we will describe under 2 heading, that is the some compound having 4n plus 2 pi electron system, and some having 4 pi electron system. We know that if your compound is cyclic, planar, and where delocalization of pi electron takes place. Okay, when delocalization pi electron takes place, when your compound is a planar, then delocalization of pi electron takes place. Okay, therefore cyclic, planar, and delocalization of pi electron takes place. This first condition is common for both these compounds. This compound is came under the aromatic compound, and this is the anti-aromatic compound. And if the compound misses both these these properties, then that compound is the non-aromatic compound. Let us see the first example, 8-annuline. Okay, 8-annuline is the cyclooctatetraene compound. This compound, okay, this compound having the 4 alternate double bond is there, and for annuline compound there is no such condition, it should be the planar. Okay, such condition is not there. Okay, annuline compound, only condition is it is monocyclic, only one ring is there. Okay, naphthalene, when you see the naphthalene, it is 2 ring is there. Therefore naphthalene is not come under the monocyclic compound. Okay, it is bicyclic compound, 2 rings are fused there, therefore that compound is the bicyclic compound. Okay, your annuline is the monocyclic compound. Okay, when you see this compound, it is having 4 pi electrons. First pi electron, okay, double bond means you consider the pi electrons. First pi electron, second pi electron, third pi electron, and fourth pi electron. There are 4 pi electrons, therefore 4 pi electrons, each is having 2 electrons. Therefore it is a 8 pi electron system. Okay, therefore it is having the 8 pi electron system, it is not came under this system, because when you have 4n plus 2 pi electron system, when you put 1, then 2 electron system, when you put 2, 10 electron system, when you put 3, 14 electron system, when you put 4, the 18 electron system, and for 4 pi electron system, or 4n pi electron system, then 4, then into divided by 2 into 8, divided by 3 is the 12, divided by 4 is 16 electron system. Okay, all these electrons, pi electrons came under the anti-aromatic compounds, but your first condition should be obeyed by this molecule, that first condition in both aromatic or anti-aromatic compounds should manage the cyclic, planar, and delocalization of pi electron. Okay, if the compound is follow that 4 pi electron system, but it not follow the cyclic, planar, and the delocalization of pi electrons, then that compound is not came under the anti-aromatic compound. Though it follows the 4 pi electron system, it not under came the anti-aromatic compound unless it not fulfill cyclic, planar, and the delocalization of pi electrons. Okay, this is the first example, 8-annuline, and which is having the 4 pi electrons into 8 pi electrons, it came under this. Maybe it okay, by looking this 8 pi electron system, it came under 4n pi electron system, therefore it may be came under the anti-aromatic compound if it follows the planarity, cyclic nature, and the delocalization of pi electrons. But actually this bond angle of, when you consider the octane system, okay, octet system, then the bond angle of this will be 135 degree, and therefore for double bond, okay, double bond, you remember that if double bond C, it means it has the sp2 hybridization is there. Okay, and for the sp2 hybridization your bond angle should be 120. Remember that. And in this case, when we have just suppose that if your molecule is the planar one, then it show the 135 bond angle, but actually that bond angle is deviated from 120. Okay, for sp2 hybridization you should record 120, but actually when we consider molecule is take the shapes like that, and normal that angle when you consider the like that geometry, then your angle should be 135, but actually deviate. Okay, therefore that deviation produces angle strain in this molecule, therefore that molecule is not prefer this planar situation. It will show somehow boat like okay, that pi bond is like that, this pi bond is like that, this pi bond is like that, and this pi bond is like that. Okay, this it shows the boat like structure, it's not planar. Okay, therefore though it is having the 8 pi electron system, and 8 pi electron system is came under the anti-aromatic system, 8 pi electron system, it's not considered as the anti-aromatic compound because there is a lack of planarity, and we know that we seen the conditions for the anti-aromatic compounds and the aromatic compounds. Both first common condition is the your compound should be cyclic planar, and delocalization of pi electrons should be there, and then we will see the whether the molecule has the 4 pi electron system, or whether the molecule obey the 4n pi 2 pi electrons, that is obey the Hockel rule. Okay, like that in this you can say that this compound is the anti-aromatic, not anti-aromatic compound, because there is a lack of planarity, therefore that compounds came under the non-aromatic compound. Okay, and this compound is also undergoes the substitution reaction. Sorry, this compound is undergoes addition reaction. If your compound is aromatic, it not show the addition reaction. When you add the HCl to this molecule, hydrogen is added to this double bond, and Cl added to this, HCl is added to this double bond. If you add the Br2 molecule, this will react on this double bond, and addition reaction will be happen in this 8 aniline system. Next system is 10 aniline system. Next system is the 10 aniline system. Okay, 10 aniline means the you have the, if you consider the 10 aniline system, one, two, three, 4, and 5. Okay, number of carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, number of carbon is 10, and this is your 10 aniline system. Okay, very interesting example. It is having 1, 2, 3. Okay, number of double bond is the 5 double bond is there. Okay, 5 double bond means the 5 pi electron is there. Okay, therefore 5 pi electron is there means the total 5 pi electrons is there. 5 pi electrons into 2, therefore it is having the 10 electrons. Okay, we have seen that the when you put 4n plus 2, n is put the 2, then you will have the 10 electrons. The 10 electron system came under the 4n plus 2 pi electron system. Okay, first thing we have clear that it is having the 4n plus 2 pi electron system. Okay, it is not 4 electrons. Okay, 4 electron system is the electrons, 4 electrons, 8 electrons. Okay, 12 electrons, 16 electron, 20 electron, 24 electron. Okay, this is like that, 4 into 2, 8, 4 into 3, 12. Okay, like that electron is there, it is a 4 pi electron system. And other than this, your 10 electron system is there. Therefore, this maybe came under aromatic heading. Okay, but actually this compound is not show the aromatic compound. Okay, where it shows the it obeys the Huckel rule. Sorry, it obeys the Huckel number. Okay, this is Huckel 4n plus 2 pi electrons. Therefore, it obeys Jn electrons. That is, it obeys the Huckel number. But the first condition, it is not aromatic means what? It not obey the cyclic planar and the delocalization of pyrrole. Somehow planarity is disturbed in this compound. Okay, when you see, okay, there is a three possibility for this system. Structure for this system is, okay, first it appear like that, second it appears like that. Okay, second it appears like that, or third, okay, it appears like that. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, 8 9 10. So like that, three possibilities there. Okay, electrons 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Okay, 10 means the 10 aniline. Okay, when you compare the possibility of structure for 10 aniline is the we have observed that compound is not aromatic. It means there is lack of cyclic planarity and delocalization, but though it having the 4n plus 2 pi electron system. Okay, Huckel give that number if your compound has the 4n plus 2 pi electrons, then your compounds may be come under in the heading of aromatic compound. But the first condition you should fulfill, then and then your compound came under in heading of aromatic compound. Therefore, that first condition is your compound should be cyclic planar and delocalized. Okay, that not follow this compound is not follow that cyclic planar and delocalization of pyrrole. Therefore, this came not under the aromatic compound. Okay, therefore, if you first compound, the bond angle is, you see, the 144 degree. If you consider the structure, if A, B, C, and if you consider B, C structure is there. Okay, therefore normal angle for sp, okay, this double bond is there. Okay, we seen that first previously, C double bond C, it's sp2 hybridized, and for normal angle for sp2 hybridized is 120 degree, and it deviates from the normal angle. Okay, it's therefore angle strain. Okay, any deviation from 120 for C double bond C, that angle it produces the angle strain in molecule. Therefore, this molecule has the higher angle strain, and therefore that molecule not is present in such structures. In this case also there is also strain is there, and therefore this molecule is this is also unstable one. Okay, both B and C are unstable compounds. Okay, if you see that is a C6. Okay, all are the C's. First C, second. Okay, all are the C's and the 5 times 6. Okay, this compound, if you start from here, trans, that is C's. Okay, trans C's and the C's. Okay, if you consider this, if you start from this, this is your C's. Okay, if you start from this trans, then if you come there, C's, this is a trans, and this is the same side, that is a 6. Okay, if you like that situation is there. Okay, like that, these are two opposite, therefore trans, and these are two same for double bond, same side, that means a C's. This is again for double bond, the same side, that is C's. Okay, like that. Okay, in this case both are the same side, all are the same side, therefore C's. Okay, like that. And when therefore the compound prefer this type of the, okay, it should prefer this puckered structure where two not complete ring, okay, two half sides rings is there, and in this case internal hydrogens create steric strain. Okay, steric strain. Therefore, due to this reason, your planarity of that molecule is disturbed, and therefore molecule is, though it follow the 4n plus 2 pi electron system, but it is not having the planarity. Therefore, there is a disturbed planarity. Therefore, delocalization pi electron is also not takes place in this compound. Therefore, this compound is not aromatic, though it is having Huckel number. Now, this is all about the 10 electrons. We seen the 8 electron system. We have seen the 10 electron system. Okay, if you we have seen the 10 electron system is there, and when okay, already we have known that this system is a non-planar system because that 2 hydrogen is create the steric strain, therefore its planarity is the disturbed. But when if you replace that hydrogen by CH2, that is methylene carbons, that is CH2, and it is above the your plane of the molecule. Therefore, due to this replacing of hydrogen, the internal previously you seen that hydrogen interaction was there, and due to this steric interaction, the molecule gets planarity is disturbed. But when you replace this hydrogen by both 2 hydrogens by the methylene carbon, then in this molecule planarity is maintained. Okay, if you see if pi bond is there and the pi bond is there, okay, though due to this CH2 somehow your delocalization is not perfect. Okay, p orbitals is not perfectly somehow aligned, but there is a definitely substantial delocalization of pi electrons is there, and due to this that compound, okay, that is a bridge 10 aniline system. Okay, that is a bridge 10 aniline system, and this bridge to aniline system came under the heading of aromatic compound. It is having 10 pi electrons, and that number is the Huckel number, which came under the your as a considered as a aromatic compound. Okay, that is all about the 10. Okay, 12 aniline system. 12 aniline system. Okay, 12 aniline system is there is a definite. Okay, it is having the shapes like that. It is having the 12 carbon is there. Okay, wow. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 carbon is there, and alternate double bond. Okay, one of the important things regarding aniline. Okay, as like the 10 aniline system, the inside hydrogen is enough away from each other. Okay, enough away from each other, apart from each other. Therefore, such steric strain is absent in 12 aniline system. And number of pi bonds, if you measure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, number of pi bonds is 6 into 2. It is having 12 pi electron system. Okay, it came under the heading of anti-aromatic. It may be anti-aromatic compound, but it is having the 12 pi electron system. Okay, it is having 12 pi electron system, but first condition you should have fulfilled, then and then your compound is maybe aromatic or maybe anti. That first condition is your compound should be cyclic, planar, and there should be if planarity is there should be definitely there should pi electrons delocalization is possible. Okay, like that this compound is planar one, and therefore that compound is cyclic, planar, and the pi electron delocalization definitely there, and it is having the 12 pi electron system. Therefore 12 pi electron system came under the heading anti-aromatic compound. Therefore that compound is the anti-aromatic compound. This is all about the 12 aniline system. The next one is the 14 aniline system. Okay, that 14 aniline system you can show like that. 14 aniline system. Alternate double bonds we have chosen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 7 pi electrons. Therefore, it is 7 pi electrons into 2, 14 pi electrons. Okay, 14 pi electrons is the 4n plus 2 pi electron system. When you put 4 into 3, therefore 4 into 3, 12 plus 2, 14 pi electrons. Therefore, it follows the Huckel numbers. But to find out is it aromatic, then you have to find out the first very important condition. Is it cyclic, is it planar, is it their delocalization of pi electrons, then you can say you can predict it is aromatic. Theoretically you can predict one. But in this compound, the internal hydrogen, okay, in the ring there is a lot of steric crowding is there, and steric strain is produced, and that's why also X-ray diffraction also show that the molecule is not planar one, and it's not undergo the substitution reaction. Okay, when you see the substitution, it not undergo the substitution reaction. If you consider this is an aromatic compound, but this is not undergo the substitution reaction. Okay, by using our aromatic character, one of the aromatic character is there. The aromatic compound should undergo the substitution reaction. Okay, this compound is not undergo the substitution reaction. Therefore, the 14 aniline system is not aromatic compound, though it is having the Huckel number, but it is not planar one, not cyclic one. Therefore, no delocalization of pi electron takes place there. Okay, now next is the 16 electron system. Okay, that is 16 electron system. Okay, 16 electron system you can show like that. Okay, this is 16 electron system. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 pi electrons, and therefore 16 pi electrons is there. And this compound is your okay, that is 16 pi electron is there because number of pi electron is the 8, and there is hydrogens is maximum due to ring sizes increases. The hydrogen is maximum away from each other. No steric strain is there, and that molecule is the planar one. Delocalization is there, that is a cyclic one also, and therefore that compound came under heading of anti-aromatic compound. Okay, next is the 18 aniline system. 18 aniline system is you can show like that. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 into 2, 9 pi electrons, that is 18. 18 electron system, that is 18 electron system is came under Na 4n plus 2. Okay, if you took the 4 into 4, 16 plus 2, 18 electron system. Okay, in this case also hydrogens are maximum away from each other. Internal hydrogens are maximum away from each other, and it is having follow your Huckel number. Okay, therefore that compound is planar, it will follow the planarity, cyclic one, and delocalized pi electron takes place. Therefore that compound is aromatic compound. Okay, and this hydrogens is the more shielded one. Okay, and outside hydrogen is the more deshielded. When you take the NMR spectra, it's that value is minus delta value will be there, and that value is the more than 7 delta value for this hydrogen when you take the NMR spectra. Okay, this is the shielded one. Okay, inside one, okay, ring current is there. Due to that ring current, the internal hydrogen is the very shielded one, and outside hydrogen is the deshielded. Reason behind this we have seen in previous lecture. That is all about the compound aniline. Thank you very much.